Welcome to Beautyistic, where we always bring you the honest truth about the latest beauty products. Have you ever found yourself torn between the perfect matte lip color and something that still feels hydrating throughout the day? Well, LA Girl's Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Color in the shade Flirty promises just that. A soft matte finish with all the moisture and comfort you want. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. LA Girl's Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Color is designed to give you that perfect balance between a bold lip and hydration. This product comes in a sleek tube with a twist-up applicator, making it easy to apply on the go. The formula claims to lock in moisture, keeping your lips smooth and soft while ensuring long-lasting color. With its soft matte finish, it also offers versatility. It's said to adapt for a more glossy effect, depending on your desired look. I tested this out throughout the day, and here's what I experienced. First of all, the texture is quite nice. It feels creamy on the lips as you apply it, not at all drying like some matte lipsticks can be. The color payoff is immediate, with just one swipe delivering rich pigmentation. I love that it's not overly sticky, but still manages to offer some shine. As for comfort, this formula kept my lips feeling moisturized, which was a huge win. Matte lipsticks can sometimes be uncomfortable after a few hours, but this one didn't dry out my lips, and I didn't feel the need to constantly reapply. I wore it through a couple of different activities: coffee, talking, and even a little snacking, and I have to say, the staying power is impressive. The color didn't fade or smudge, which is what we all want, right? It remained in place, and even though it's a matte, it didn't get that cracked, drying feeling that often comes with long-wear formulas. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, I really love how comfortable this lipstick is. It offers good moisture, and the matte finish is sophisticated yet wearable. The packaging is compact, making it travel-friendly, and the color payoff is great. However, one downside I found is that it's not as transfer-proof as some other long-wear formulas. I had a couple of moments where it left a light mark on my coffee mug. It's not a deal breaker, but worth noting if you're looking for a completely transfer-free formula. When it comes to value for money, this lip color definitely delivers. It's priced affordably, especially for the performance it offers. You're getting a hydrating matte lip color that doesn't feel heavy or dry, which can be hard to find in this price range. Compared to other higher-end matte lipsticks, this is definitely a budget-friendly option that still gives you that high-quality feel. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are other matte formulas that deliver similar results, but at a higher price point. Brands like Fenty Beauty or Charlotte Tilbury have fantastic matte lipsticks, but you'll be paying more for those. LA Girl's offering is a great option for anyone wanting the look and feel of a matte lip without breaking the bank. I have to say, I'm quite impressed with the LA Girl Lip Haze Soft Matte Lip Color. It lives up to its promise of delivering a soft matte finish without sacrificing comfort, and it's long-lasting enough to get you through a busy day. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a hydrating matte lip color that still packs a punch in the color department. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our honest reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best insights on beauty products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.